Hey everyone, this is Mr. Everything, and today I wanted to do an unboxing, or I guess more of just an unbagging of this Boston Celtics tip-off series hat. This is the first time I bought a hat from New Era. It's not, I think lids and stuff would give you papers too, but you can see they pay for the return tracking, which I like how it's a label, so that way if you don't have to print it out if you would want to return it, which I don't need to, because Lids has been doing me dirty since Fanatics bought them out. They don't have this particular tip-off. They have like the all green. I think they also have an all black. They have it in a snapback, but I wanted the fitted. And see, it's definitely a little bit different looking, and maybe just a little bit of dust on it. Lots of I like how the sticker's already put on it. This is usually where I put them because I don't like them on top anyway, but it's off-centered. I mean, I gotta put it on there straight anyway, I guess. So you can see, getting tip-off series for 2019, 2020. And the designs all over the place. I'm not a big fan of just the Celtics logo on a green, so I like one that just says Boston or Celtics or a clover. But this is like basically all that kind of combined together. Logo on the back's a little overkill, but I guess the whole thing in a way is overkill. But I think it looks nice with this tip-off series. I'm obviously not going to do all of them. I just get the team I like. But a lot of these, if you have looking at your team or you collect other ones, a lot of these contrast ones with the primary, secondary colors on some other base color look good compared to just like the all green that only Lids sold, which I wasn't a fan of. The New Era website worked great. They're a little picky on your shipping. I'm in an apartment, so you had to have like the right layout to have it the address work compared to Lids, but shipping was free, which is basically better than the access pass because it didn't even work on the new hat. So I'd probably recommend getting from New Era. Hat's definitely tight, but I have a hat jack to stretch it out. It's actually really tight, but I got a 7 3/8 hat not too long ago that was really tight too. So once I stretched it out a few times, and it's just all this heavy stitching really. I mean, it's just a really stiff feeling hat. There's really not much else to show here, but I think it looks good, and hopefully these stay in style longer than Kyrie's welcome in Boston was. And I think they might be coming for Kemba too, those IG coaches, so better watch out. They hate everyone, I guess. The bandwagon fans expect to win every single game, I guess. But you definitely win every single appearance when you have this on. It's so much different than any other hat I've seen. So hopefully that gives you an idea what they look like. Just a lot going on, but they're pretty unique, and it depends on the team how well everything's on here. It depends on the length of the name, but I'm happy with it. So hopefully if it gives you an insight on what they look like, and if you want to add it to your collection. So thanks for watching, and you'll see me in the next one.